Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is God Made Me, and that is by Mississippi Mass Choir. Guys, we are in the key of A flat on today, and this song was requested by Mario Bernardo. Thank you so much, Mario, for this awesome song. I really appreciate it. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. Alright guys, let's get it. We're in the key of A flat. That's A flat, B flat, C, B flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we have the awesome Mississippi Mass Choir in the building. We're going to welcome them in on tonight. But guys, meanwhile, let's do what we always do. Let's go ahead and crack our knuckles and let's stretch them out and let's receive Mississippi Mass Choir.
To the believer
That was Mississippi Mass Choir with God Made Me. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with God made me. He made me who I am. All right, let's stop right there. So we're starting out on the 1. And right here in our right hand, we're playing an E flat 6 chord. Then we're going to our 5, G flat major 7 chord, beautiful chord. Now we're going to the 1, and we're still on that G flat major 7 chord. We're resolving. We're playing the A flat 13 chord on the 3. Make me who I am. All right, what is that? We're playing an F minor 7 chord on the 4. Going to our 6, and we're playing this E flat major chord. Going to our 2, that's a D flat added 2 chord. Then we're doing this walk up. All right, what is that? On the 6, we're playing a D flat major chord. Going to our 7, that's an E flat major chord. So guys, this song just repeats. So we're going to do that 4 times. God made me. We're on the 1. Going to our 5. Going to our 1. God made me who I am. 4, 6, 2, 6, 7. Right? What did we do there? So all we're doing is we're going. So all I did was I just walked into my C major chord on the 2. Nice passing chord, right? God made me who I am. Let's say this the 4th time. All right, that little pop. All we're doing is we're going to the 5, and we're playing this A flat 2 chord. I'm a conqueror. I'm victorious. I won't be stopped. I won't be stopped. Alright, so guys, that's just like the beginning. The only thing we changed was we went to the 2 and we played this beautiful chord. That's a D7 flat 5 chord. It wakes you up, right? Very different. Right? I won't be stopped. I won't be stopped. Alright, next part. My soul says yes. 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 Alright, what is that? So we're on the 1. We're playing an A flat major chord. Walking down to our 7. That's an E flat major chord. Going to our F minor chord on the 6. We're going right back to that beautiful chord right there on the 2. That's a D7 flat 5. Going to our 7 flat, G flat 7 chord. Going to our 6, A flat major chord. Going right back to our G flat 7 on the 5. Resolving on the 1. And we're playing this A flat 13 chord. Then they go, yes. All right, what is that? On the 4, we're playing this F minor 7 chord. Going to our D flat major chord. Passing chord right here on the 6. That's an E flat major chord. Yes. All right, what is that? The same thing. We're playing that F minor 7. Going to our D flat major. We're just on the 2. And then we're doing that walk up again. All right, guys, I hope this was able to help you out. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is no discount, no love. A few years ago, my wife and I were excited to launch a t-shirt business. We had gathered all the equipment we needed, and when we finally purchased the last piece, the computer, we felt unstoppable. Our first few customers were a dream. They paid on time, gave us repeat business, and encouraged us to keep going. One customer in particular stood out. She was warm, friendly, and kept ordering from us regularly. I appreciated her loyalty so much that I decided to give her a discount, thinking it would strengthen the relationship and show gratitude. But business has its realities. Not long after, the cost of the shirts from our supplier went up. Our profit margins shrank, and I realized we couldn't survive by selling at a discount anymore. I explained to her that we'd need to return to our original pricing. Almost immediately, her warmth faded. The "hey baby," "hey sweetheart" greetings turned into silence. Before long, she stopped ordering altogether and walked past me as if we were strangers. That experience taught me something valuable. In business and in life, some people will only value you as long as you serve their convenience. True supporters don't disappear when your value to them change. They stay because they see you, not just what you can provide. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. Mario, thank you again for that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yes, 1 million. We're on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. Of course, this cannot be done without you. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. And we have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yeah. You know what? They tell me it takes 3 seconds. I believe it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I want you to believe it. Let's try in 3, 2, 1. Damn, I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Thank you guys. You have just made my day. I appreciate you. And you know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.